Hello everyone. In this video, I received some mail. So if you're interested in seeing what this is, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone. I am Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me. And you're in the right place if you like to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're on the subject, why don't you go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and share my video. Now let's get on to this. Well, a couple of weeks ago, Diva Decorating had a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. And she reached her 1,000 subscriber mark and she wanted to do a giveaway, and she asked that you sign up for the giveaway. Well, I want to support my sister, so I signed up and I won one of the giveaways. Yes. The envelope came in Saturday, but I said I would do the video today because I've been ripping and running like a chicken with my head cut off. Now, what she got me was, isn't this a beautiful card? How she know I love turquoise? So she sent a thank you card along with the gift, and I received the $20 gift card, the Visa gift card. Now, I have something in mind I'm going to do with this. She knows her sister loves to go to the Dollar Tree. So I have some things I'm going to pick up for my spring decor. I really want to thank her for choosing me as one of her winners in her giveaway, and I can't wait to tear this open and get to spending. And I want to congratulate her on her achievement, her goal. And I'm really proud of her channel because I love watching her channel, and she's a sweetie. She really is. If you don't know her, you need to get to know her. I will have the link to her channel down below, Diva Decorating. Her name is Geraldine. So Geraldine, thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates.